I will introduce you to an automatic TikTok account warm-up tool that provides the best work efficiency. This software allows you to manage an unlimited number of TikTok accounts effortlessly. Here, we will have an interaction script for TikTok accounts, including actions such as scrolling through videos, liking, commenting, tagging channels in comments, replying to comments, adding videos to favorites, and more. Just click Start, and the software will automatically log into your TikTok accounts and handle interactions for you. Connect with me on WhatsApp or Telegram, and I will provide you with detailed guidance about the software. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.